move that we reconsider Resolution 250371.
There's a motion on the floor from the councilwoman in the second ward to reconsider 250371. Is there support?
Councilwoman Priestley, may I interject?
Yes, go ahead.
In regards to this reconsideration for the resolution 250 and 371-T, the legal department has been advised that we may need to take a look at whether or not these resolutions need to be vetted by the legal department before they are discussed and voted upon. So we would like at least a couple of weeks to research this. There was a case in 2008, Williamson versus Flint City Council, that we believe may require the legal department to review all resolutions for proper form.
Thank you.
So that would also include 250386-T as well.
Okay, so it is the legal department requesting us not to reconsider it at this time?
At this time, yes, Ms.
Madam
Priestley.
Chair.
Yes, Madam Clerk.
I do understand Attorney Wallace's concerns and the legal department's concerns, but the idea is that the council would not act or approve a resolution that has not been signed off on. If the argument is to approve as to form, it's possible to give this to the legal department so they can approve it as to form, and it could be referred to special affairs. And then at that time, when they also, if it makes it that far, before the council approves it, because if the question is it needs to be signed off, approved as to form, as opposed to voting on a resolution that's not signed, that's what that legal opinion is about. That's what that judgment was about. I just wanted to point that out to the council.
And if I may follow up on that.
Go ahead.
And that could very well be true, but the city, the attorney's office will need at least a couple of weeks to research this issue, whether or not it has to review all resolutions before they're submitted. So we respectfully request that time to do that.
That's coming from the mayor.
So we do have a motion on the floor to reconsider.
I retract my motion.
Okay, that has been withdrawn.
You, Madam Chair, to the city attorney. We have did, Attorney Wallace, resolutions before that we never, we're supposed to be co-equal branches. So to hear it takes, we said 3 weeks to give a legal opinion, that if we have 300,000, we should definitely have 150,000.
Is that a question?
Right. Pardon me?
Is that a question?
Yes, I'm sorry. Councilwoman Winfrey Carter was talking at the same time. I'm sorry. So, yes.
I stated we would like respectfully request a couple of weeks, not 3 weeks, to research whether or not all resolutions need to be reviewed by the legal department before submission.
So I've never seen that before, as long as I've followed Flint City government, that all of them have to be reviewed before we present them. I've never seen that. So that has not been our precedence, and it will slow our process down and how government business will be done.
For information.
What's your request?
Is it just because it's from the city council, or is it because, or is it based on the city administrator ones that they submit too, that they need weeks?
No.
Yeah. Or is that through, to whom?
The
To me?
speaker, that's the only
Okay.
person I can send
Yeah,
it
well,
to.
Attorney Wallace, can you answer that question?
Can you repeat that question, please?
Is it because of the council? Is it the same for the city, the administration, as it is for the council, that before a resolution is created, that it must be reviewed or vetted?
And that's what we want to determine, whether all resolutions that emanate from city council or the administration need to come through the legal department.
So that's kind of late in the vetting process to do that, and will, I think, drastically slow down the business of everything. So, thank you for that.